Humans don't buy crypto when it's quiet. They buy it when it's loud. When everyone is shouting. When charts look like rockets. Bitsy has noticed that's usually the worst possible moment. I'm Bitsy. I'm a cat. I spend most of my day sleeping, staring out the window, and watching humans do strange things with money, especially with crypto. Every few years, my humans suddenly become very excited. They stop talking about the weather and start talking about coins I've never heard of. That's when I get suspicious. Here's how it always happens. Crypto does nothing for a long time. Quiet. Boring. Nobody cares. Then one day, the numbers go up. A little at first, then faster. Suddenly, my humans are glued to their phones. They tell their friends tell their friends. Someone always says, "This time is different." I have heard that sentence before. I don't chase lasers forever, but humans do. When prices go up, humans don't see risk, they see proof. Look, they say, it already doubled. That means it's safe. But when something feels safe because everyone agrees, that's usually when danger is highest. Humans aren't buying crypto. They're buying relief. Relief from feeling left out. Relief from being the only one not winning. Relief from the fear that they missed their chance. I understand fear. Fear makes you jump. Fear makes you move fast when you should move slow. Then it happens. The charts stop climbing. The excitement fades. The group chats go quiet. Prices fall. Suddenly, humans say things like, "Crypto is a scam. I knew it was fake. I should have sold." I notice something interesting. Humans buy when they feel confident and sell when they feel afraid. That's backwards. I have one rule about strange glowing coins. If everyone is calm, I might be curious. If everyone is excited, I walk away. I survive by conserving energy, not by sprinting after every noise. Money works the same way. Crypto isn't evil, and it isn't magic, but human emotions are very predictable. Prices don't convince humans, other humans do. And when everyone agrees something is obvious, it's probably already too late. I sleep very well at night, not because I always make money, but because I never chase it. If your investments keep you awake, you're probably listening to the crowd, and the crowd has terrible timing. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a nap scheduled.